Part 9 of our Indian Constitution. This Part 9 deals about the local self-government. So, panchayats, according to 73rd Amendment, so it was got constitutional recognition. So, constitutional recognition made under the Prime Ministership of Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao, so which was made by him the essential act on local self-government. So that is deals about the panchayats. So these articles, Article 243A to 243O deals about the panchayats, election commission, reservation system, and village panchayats, functions of the village, etc., duration of the village panchayats, and taxes imposition on villages. These are deals about Article 243A to 243O. Let us discuss briefly these articles one by one. Article 243A, definition of panchayat. In directive principles of state policy, so what is village panchayat? Explained in briefly Article 40 of our Indian Constitution. Later these articles are recognized by the Constitution according to 73rd Constitutional Amendment. Article 243A, Gram Sabha, that is one of the organ of the panchayat. So panchayat, village panchayat, it is having 4 organs: Gram Sabha, panchayat, and village secretary. These four organs relating to the Gram Sabha, village panchayat. Article 243B, that is deals about the constitution of panchayat. So what is meant by panchayat? That is detailed explained in this Article 243B. Article 243C, composition of panchayats. What is the procedure to exist panchayats? On what basis village panchayats established? That was clearly explained in this Article 243C, composition of panchayat. In this panchayat, sarpanch, Gram Sabha, and village secretary, village panchayat. These four are organs of village panchayat. Composition of organs. Article 243D. Article 243 deals about the reservation of seats. According to Constitution, a reservation provided to backward people, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and women. So provided to reservation. And Article 243E, duration of panchayats, etc. Generally, duration of panchayats is 5 years. So after completion of the 5 years, within 6 months, election must be conducted according to the Constitution. State government must take steps to form a new government, new administration at village level. So local self administration must be formed by the government, state government, time to time. Duration of the panchayat. Article 243F, disqualification for membership. What is the qualification? What is the disqualification of membership of the panchayats? All members are who are completed their 18 years of age, they are members in the panchayat. So what is the disqualification of members? That was clearly explained in the Article 243F. Article 243G, powers, authority and responsibilities of panchayat. Powers and authority and responsibilities of the panchayat. So village panchayat is having authority so to provide irrigation facility and library facility and animal husbandry, to maintain roads and street lights, etc. And to take care of public health who are resided in village level. That is the primary responsibility of the village. So these are powers and functions of the village panchayat. Village sarpanch should take care of these responsibilities. And Article 243H, powers to impose taxes by and funds of the panchayats. Village panchayats are having to impose based on work tax, house tax, or irrigation tax, agricultural tax. So these taxes can be imposed by the village panchayat according to the constitution to development of village. That these funds, whatever funds collected based on imposition of taxes, these funds may be utilized to the development of the village. Article 243I, Constitution of Finance Commission to review financial position. So according to 243I, to establishment of state finance commission to review the financial matters which is regarding to the village administration and state government. That is Article 243I. Article 243J, audit of accounts of panchayat. How much accounts was spent by the village panchayats, that must be audited after completion of the year, financial year ending. So by the auditor, state auditor general. And Article 243K, according to 243K, state government is having to establish state election commission to conduct village elections, mandal level elections and general elections. State election commission, it will provide recognition to political parties, and it will take steps to conduct peace and conduct elections with peaceful manner, and separate measures taken by the election commission. Article 243C, Article 243L, application to union territories. Suppose it may be converted into union territory. That is, what is the procedure mentioned in this application article? Application to union territories, Article 243L. And Article 243M, part not to apply to certain areas. 243M, part not to apply to certain areas. This part may be applied in some areas. Some of the local self-government rules and regulations not applicable in the northeastern states like Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, etc. So this part not applicable to these certain areas. That was clearly explained in this Article 243M. Article 243N. Article 243N, continuance of existing laws and panchayats. Continuance of existing laws, whatever law made by the state governments, and this must be within the limitations of the Local Self-Government Act, which was recognized by the Constitution. And panchayats, how the panchayats must be run. So today itself they are facing to get autonomous status. So almost all the powers exercised by the MLAs or MPs, but nominal powers exercised by the local governments because lack of autonomous status to the local bodies. So some of the villages, according to rules and regulations, they are following and they are getting self-existence at village level. That is Article 243N. Article 243O, Bar to interference by courts electoral matters. Article 243 bar to interference by court in electoral matters. It was clearly explained bar to interference by courts in electoral matters, which is going to be influenced by the government, which is constitutionally done by the government, which is not if it is exceeding the limitations of the constitution. That was clearly explained in this article. Article 243. Article 243A to Article 243 to Article 243O. These articles explain about the village panchayats. So these are Part 9 of our Indian Constitution. Part 9 of our Indian Constitution.